Mohinder Nayyar is being awarded the Melvin R. Green Codes and Standards Medal for extraordinary leadership and professionalism in consensus building and workforce training in support of the development of ASME codes and standards for pressure equipment and for promoting their acceptance by regulatory agencies worldwide. Mohinder Nayyar realized at an early age that engineering was all around him, everywhere he looked, and he wanted to be part of it.
If you look around yourself in every part of life, engineering is one profession which is always around you. So science and engineering prevail in our life at every step.
Nayyar grew up in the province of Punjab, India. He won awards for his high marks in physics and was active in student government. He earned bachelor's degrees in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and mechanical engineering. In 1971, he and his wife immigrated to New York, where he found work as an engineer for Bechtel.
From there onward, I think there was no stopping at Bechtel. There was more responsibilities, increasing responsibilities. I worked on nuclear power plants.
He became an expert on the piping and valves of nuclear power plants. The accident at 3 Mile Island broadened the scope of Nayyar's work.
Bechtel was the first company to go inside the containment to find out what happened in the reactor vessel.
Nayyar helped develop new codes and standards in response to the event, working closely with the Nuclear Regulatory Commission and ASME.
When something goes wrong, we have to study it, why it happened, and what we need to do to change our codes and standards so that we can prevent or minimize the impact of some negative happening.
While at Bechtel, he rewrote the Piping Handbook, a kind of Bible of specifications that has been published since the 1930s. It is now commonly referred to as Nayyar's Handbook. Nayyar sees codes and standards as critical to innovation.
The world is moving so fast. Technology is being developed so fast. And if we are not keeping up with the latest developments, then our codes and standards will be not as good as they should be.
Nayyar's work with ASME is not yet finished. He is currently collaborating with engineers all over the world on codes and standards for the next generation of power plants, which must sustain higher pressures and temperatures.
I want to see that we can build these new wave of ultra supercritical power plants where we will have more energy produced at a higher efficiency and with less pollution.
He sees global collaboration as the key to success. Through ASME, he has been instrumental in the development of international working groups so that expertise can be shared.
So we want to learn from our own knowledge within this country which we have. Also we want to learn from others because this is not our issue alone. Whole world needs that energy.